Let's drill it down now to sectors. The Indian Pharma sector has a considerable amount of exposure to the United Kingdom and its markets. So how would Brexit affect them? Joining me now to discuss that is Mr. Habil Khorakiwala of Wockhardt. Mr. Khorakiwala, thank you much for joining me. Could you start by telling us how much exposure Wockhardt has to the United Kingdom, and how will a depreciating pound impact your business?
We have about a business of about £100 million in UK, and the entire business is mainly in UK, not very much in Europe, and therefore the impact what we see because of Brexit will be very limited. And the pound, I think it is an initial reaction one is seeing. One has really have to see over a period of time what happens.
Okay. Mr. Khorakiwala, could you tell us how the UK business is doing currently? Europe as a whole was down, I think, around 10% in the fourth quarter. Within that, how did the United Kingdom perform?
I think UK would perform a growth, dynamic growth this year in the sterling pound, and we expect at least 10% growth this year.
Okay, so the UK business to show growth, at least in constant currency. Mr. Khorakiwala, what will lead to growth in the UK business?
It will be led by our existing product and the new products also we are introducing.
Okay, what could be the immediate as well as the medium-term change in business in the UK? That is, say, if the treaty laws change on account of the Brexit, how would you read the medium-term turf?
We don't expect any significant impact because of the Brexit. But one thing which will be emerging because of the UK going out of EU is that EMEA, that is Emergency Medical Agency, European Medical Agency, is located in UK. And there is a lot of centralized registration for biologicals and the new drugs. Now, one is not certain what will happen to that, and we need to wait and watch how does the registration process for new drugs will take place.
So are you saying that the Brexit doesn't change Wockhardt's conduct of business in UK at all?
No, we are not affecting the business very much because we have been in UK for the last about 15 years, and we have a business built up in UK, and we are among the top 3 generic companies in UK.
All right, Mr. Khorakiwala, we will leave it at that, and I'm sure we are going to ask you a lot more questions in the days to come about whether things are normal or will remain normal in terms of your conduct of business.